Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video.
Gentlemen, I have a plan.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, I am super excited to be doing the most important modification of my entire life. Out of anything I've ever owned or had the pleasure of working on or helping friends with, this is by far the most meaningful and important modification ever. I'm sitting outside of my local O'Reilly store. I'm going to go in, get that part, come back out, we're going to go home, we're going to install that part, and you're going to see what I mean by the most important and meaningful modification.
A few moments later.
That was pretty close, boys. They had one left. I was lucky enough to get one. It's a small little package, but it's a big impact. And it's gonna change the look of the whole thing, really. So I'm not gonna hold you into suspense for much longer, but just a few minutes. Make sure to go ahead and check out the links in the description below. All right, so let's get home and put this modification on, see how it looks, see if we like it or not. I think we are, and when I say we, I'm referring to you as the viewing public along with me. We're a group, we're kind of a family if you've been following along for a while. And which, by the way, reminds me, if you're tuning in for the first time, thank you. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoy what you see. Go ahead, leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and if you want, catch up on some old videos. But I just want to say thanks, and thanks to all of you returning viewers and all of my subscribers and things. I do really appreciate it. And all right, let's go home and get this thing taken care of. Okay, so we're back here in my garage. It's the next day. I had some stuff to do. You know how that goes. But we're going to go ahead and get that modification done right now. So if you look at my key fob, you'll notice that some of the lettering is starting to wear off. And well, that's where this important modification comes into play. Because we're going to be switching out that case for dun-da-da-da, for this glorious beauty here. Show our patriotism and everything America. So let's go ahead and cut that open, switch those out quick, and see how it looks. I'll make sure to link the part number for this in the description below for all of you GM guys. It's nice, it comes with two backs, because that is not usually the part that ends up bad, but it's the front here. So we're going to get this key fob off. We're going to pop her into a couple pieces, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so we got our fob off and the little keychain for it. So what we gotta do here is use our bottle opener, because that's just as American as anything else. Have on your keychain. And they're really simple. There's a little nub. There's a little nub on the edge, if this is gonna focus for me. Maybe not. But there's a little spot where you can take a coin or a little screwdriver or something and just give it a little twist and it'll pop that cover right open. There's a little rubber seal in there that's going to make it stay tight. And what's inside is just your battery and a little computer board that gives the signal. And so you just kind of pop that out like so. You put it inside the new one, just like so. Nice snug fit, which is what you want. Push that. And as you can hear, I accidentally pushed the button. So, hey, it works. Excellent. Locks, unlocks, all that's good. So we're going to go ahead and snap this back cover on. Okay, so I see why they give you two. The original cover is flat. Now they give you two new ones. One's gonna be flat and one's gonna actually have a spot for the battery to hold on to. We don't need that one, so we're gonna go ahead and put the other one on, and that's gonna just snap together.
You got some big testicles to pull this off, bro.
Snap our cover tight. We will install our key ring. Voila! We are as American as apple pie. America. Put it back on our ring. And there's the finished product. Looks damn good. Couldn't be happier with it. So that's going to wrap things up here in the garage. I hope you all enjoyed. If you've made it this far, please go ahead and check out the links in the description below for my merch store and my Instagram. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.